David Clarkson. Why should we live our dreams? Why should we live our dreams? David Clarkson.
Tempus fugit, caveat emptor. Time flies, seize the day. Ladies and gentlemen, we have only so much time in this life to actually be able to live our dreams. So why are we going to waste it with the drivel that sometimes fills up the most important place in our body? Between our ears. There are so many things that we as Toastmasters can do to actually change the world that we live in. Because, ladies and gentlemen, because we have the skills that we are the shakers and the movers. We are the people who have the ability to be able to make a difference. So it's up to us then to dream the quality dreams, to bring them to life, so that we are able to change, to make a difference in other people's lives. Because as we go through our lives, we learn a whole lot of things. They may be technical, professional things. They may be emotional things. They may be physical things that make a difference to how we feel and how we look and how everything is about us as people. But the thing about it is this, that if we're timid, and if we don't get out there and get our message out, then it's as though we never had those fantastic dreams. Our dreams of climbing that mountain, of being on the stage in a Toastmasters final speech competition. Our dreams of getting that partner who will make a difference. Our dreams about being able to help that special friend of ours to find the solution that's going to make a material difference to their lives. Ladies and gentlemen, I ask you, I implore you, live your dreams because they're yours and you have so much to give. Madam Contest.